Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Netlify to MetaMask, updated. Start by confirming your site is deployed on Netlify and your frontend can access Web3. Open MetaMask, unlock your wallet, and choose the desired network. Configure your frontend to use an injected provider from MetaMask rather than a local node. Update environment variables on Netlify with your RPC endpoint and contract address. Then redeploy and test the connection in the browser. In this video, I will explain how to connect Netlify to MetaMask, updated. Begin locally by installing Ethers or Web3 and wiring the injected provider to your app. Add code to request account access and handle denied permissions gracefully. Implement a fallback provider for read-only access when MetaMask is absent. Test switching networks and accounts locally. Then set environment variables for your RPC and contract address, so Netlify can serve the same configuration after deployment. In this video, I will explain how to connect Netlify to MetaMask, updated. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy compact devices that replace paper, the Kindle Paperwhite pairs nicely with coding breaks and long debugging sessions. If you are finding this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Check the description for the link and other deals and pick one up if you want. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to connect Netlify to MetaMask, updated. On Netlify, add your RPC endpoint and contract address to the site settings as environment variables. Ensure your build process injects those values into the static files securely and does not expose sensitive keys. Trigger a deploy, open the live site, and confirm MetaMask injects window. Ethereum and prompts for account access. Troubleshoot cores or network mismatches if the connection fails.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.